Et coucou les amis, aujourd'hui c'est notre journée du légume. Voilà. Hey guys, here is another power pack vegetable broth making here. So here we have a lot of vegetables. I have 12 vegetables here. Starting from my right hand is 2 packs of mushroom. I will be using 2 packs of mushrooms because I love mushrooms so much. Here we have potatoes. And guys, I will be telling you that I won't be peeling these potatoes. I will just clean it very well and cut it. You know, some people peel it off, but I've been cooking potatoes like this. My husband have taught me how to use it that way, and I find it amazing. So, and it also has a lot of benefits, potato and its peel. So, here we are. Use any amount of your choice. And here we have tomatoes. Tomatoes is a major source of antioxidant known as lycopene. Here is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is very good and it reduces hunger. This is Chinese cabbage known as Napa cabbage. Here also, I will be using bell pepper, green bell pepper, and this is garlics. I will just take 2 or 3 cloves of garlics and cook it like that without cutting. This is celery bulb. Celery bulb, I've used this so many times in my videos, so watch out. This is aubergine. Aubergine contains vitamin B, I, B6, and potassium. It is high in mineral copper. So we shall be adding red bell pepper, guys. Wow, this is garlics. Garlics has this, anti-inflammatory substance. I use garlic so much for pain. This is shallot. Shallot is good, very good for seasonal allergies. And this is celery, guys. I will be taking some celery leaves and celery stalks. So you can use any vegetable of your choice. I love vegetables so much, guys, and you can see from my videos. So I will take 2-3 cloves of garlics and I will not cut it. I will just, I will not blend it. I will just drop it into my pot just that way. What will happen that it will get infused by the time you get into the soup and it will soften on its own. So that is how I cook garlics. I never blend raw garlics. Otherwise, it's also costing kilos. It will smell all over you and get you embarrassed in the public. So this is mushroom. I will be adding the 2 packs of mushroom, guys. And trust me, I will make sure they are thoroughly washed. Thoroughly washed. They are all power pack vitamins, mushroom itself. Mushroom contains proteins and fiber, and it contains vitamin B and a powerful antioxidant called selenium, which helps immune system. So right now we are ready. This is aubergine. It's mushroom. Make sure your vegetables are thoroughly washed. So right now I've taken the cloves of garlics, and so we move to action right now. Look at the vegetables. They are 12 in number. So I'm trying to make sure of what I've just said because I counted them. And so I am washing them. Please, guys, make sure your vegetables are thoroughly washed. Submerge them inside water and thoroughly wash. So right now I'll be cutting some celery leaves. You can see I am cutting the stalk. Yes, I took just some, little amount and some leaves of fresh celeries, guys. Wow, this sounds so appetizing. Look at just everywhere is green and green and green pack. So I am making sure they are very washed, thoroughly washed. And then before I start shredding them, this is shallots. This is a Napa cabbage known as Chinese cabbage. It's very, very good, and power pack with of antioxidant as well. So here, this is my calabash, guys. This is my African calabash, and this is wooden strainer. They are more of organic. They are plants as well. Calabash is made from I think big melon ball or so. So it's organic as well. So here we are in the village. Village deja vu. So now I'm shredding my vegetables. As you can see, I've shredded the aubergine, shredded the Chinese cabbage, and here we are shredding I'm washing the mushrooms. Make sure, although it has been washed, I'm just rewashing it. You can see it's well cleaned already, but you never can say. So just get your vegetables well clean. Wash them one by one. I make sure my vegetables are very clean. So this is the potato, guys. Watch as I'm preparing these potatoes. I don't peel my potatoes. I only clean the patches or touches, whatever, the stain, whatever it has, and that's it. So try to understand potato peels are very, very nutritious as well. They are very, very nutritious. So wash them very well, wash them thoroughly, and cut them into your desired chunks. Potatoes are vegetable, so this is how I cut them. Cut them your own desired way, as you wish, as you want, but I don't peel them. Yeah, this is how I cut my potatoes, you can see. So it's like that, guys. And here we go into the calabash. Here we are using calabash bowl and wooden strainer. Yes, they are made of they are more from nature anyways, let me put it that way. So this is the garlics. Here I have about 3 cloves of garlics. I will just clean them, cut them pieces, and look at how I'm doing it. You see, I just cut them into pieces, and that is how it will go into the pot. Just this way. By the time it will get into the pot, it will get softened. So this is ginger. Same thing applies to ginger. I don't peel ginger here. I will not peel it here. Normally, I don't peel it here. In this type of, cooking, I just make sure they are thoroughly washed, cleaned, and wow, this is the bowl of the vegetable. You can see cocktail of vegetable soup. That is what I'm about to prepare. And here we have 12 types of vegetables, guys. So this is the shredding of the ginger. Well, that one is done. Shred your ginger as you want or as you like. This is cayenne pepper. Sorry, bell pepper, guys. Look at, I'm trying to show you one thing here. See, when you are using bell pepper, make sure you enter the inside of it. You remove the seeds, otherwise the seed will embitter your soup, because the seeds of bell pepper is bitter. So here now we have celery bulb. Yes, this is celery bulb. Now look at how it comes. Yes, this is under the celery, Yeah, but a lot of people are just familiar with celery stem. Look at how it comes. This is how it comes. And this is how it grows, Before the farmers will harvest it and separate both of them and set them apart. This is complete celery now, guys. You see what I'm talking? So the under one is celery bulb, while the upper one is the stalk and the leaves. So this is how it's always grow. It grows this way while being harvested this way as well, and then later be separated. So this is complete celery. I am using celery bulb and celery leaves. So you can see where it's being put out. Look at it here. So right now we shall be cutting the celery bulb. I have 2 here, but I'll be using 1. So I will just get it peeled. Peel it like yam, like potato, like like tuber anyways. Like like a tuber. So here it is. Look at it. It's whitish and soft, It has this soft when you touch it. So I shred it, cut it to my own liking. Then, and here we go. So cut it very well, but make sure above all that all your vegetables are thoroughly washed. That's the most important thing, because vegetables, they come from sand, and you know what I mean. If you don't wash them thoroughly, this cause to settle. So here, guys, we are our cocktail vegetables. Here we are. This is cocktail of vegetables. Here we have 12 types of vegetables, and I mix them together, guys. Wow, look at it. This is vitamin packed. This is vitamin loaded, and we all know, guys, you don't need to be told. Yes, right now. So here I put them inside. I've already put them inside the pot, So here I'll be presenting my ingredients, the spices. Here is my cooking cubes. I'll be adding chicken cubes. I'll be using chicken cubes. And here also, let me introduce other things to you. This is my pot. I've already put in them all. So this is my spices anyways. This is netetu. This is called iru in Yoruba language, or ogiri in Igbo language. This is netetu spices, locust beans spices. It's called locust beans in English. Look, it's a spice. It gives this. It has this pungent smell, and it gives your food or your soup, that exotic aroma. This is shrimps. This is shrimps powder, and this is let me show you the main shrimp itself. This is the shrimp, well cleaned shrimp, thoroughly washed, and the heads pulled off because of sand. So this shrimp here, this is the main shrimp also, and this is the head. These are the heads. I remove the heads because of sand and it's bitter. So this is shrimp's head here, and that is the shrimp. That's the other one is the shrimp powder. Yeah, here we go. So I've shown you this Nete2 powder, and this is bitter leaves, dry bitter leaves, just to give my soup bit sour taste. Sorry, bitter taste. This is dry bitter leaf, ndole. It is also called ndole. Ndole dry leaves. And this is I forget the name of these spices. Yes, please, if anybody knows remembers the name of these spices, please write down in the comment section. I've already forgotten, honestly, but it's a well-known spice especially among we West Africans. It's in Cameroon. It's found in Cameroon. So here we go. These are my spices now, and so the vegetable is boiling already, and so we wait a little minute already. Vegetable. So this is the salt I'll be using, guys, because I don't actually use normal salt. This is 66% less sodium, which is very, very good in case if you are watching your weight, or you have high blood pressure, or you have diabetics. This is the salt I use, and I've been using it for years. It is 66% less sodium. I've used this salt. I've known this salt for more than 10 years. Oh, hi. So that is where we are here, guys. And our soup is boiling. The broth is boiling, you can see. So while we wait a little, it doesn't take time anyway. Normally, when I'm cooking vegetables like this, maybe 5-10 minutes is already done. So we just wait, and you can see it's boiling. It's really boiling, and then so that is it here. And in a few minutes time, we shall be serving our dish here. So this is it, and so the vegetables. Let me talk more about vegetables, guys. You might be wondering why I love vegetables so much, because it gives me that quick and easy digestion, and it doesn't make me fat. We all know that vegetables don't really make somebody fat. So this is the vegetable here, guys. It's really boiling. Wow, piping hot. Look at boiling, and it's so tantalizing because of the green and the red and the white combination, the color, united color of benediction that it's giving us here. So it's so appetizing, you can see, so tantalizing. And right now I'll be adding the bitter leaf, dry leaves. Wow, this one will give it that kind little bitter taste. And here I am adding the exotic spice here. Yes, this one will make it scent so nice. So in fact, my house was smelling as I was adding it, was smelling, the scent, the aroma was everywhere. So right now I'll be adding the Nete2. This is Iru powder or Ogiri powder. Yes, this is the Iru powder. This is Sumbala. Some people call it Sumbala. Some country call it Nete2. Nete2 is the French name, while English is called locust beans. It will give your soup that type of exotic taste that I don't even know how to describe it, and it's pungent. It has this strong pungent smell, but it's very, very good. It's a fermented grain. It's fermented. This is a sort of beans that was fermented, and it's very, very good for the health. It lowers blood pressure. It's good for diabetes. Good for a lot of very, very good for health benefits. For health issue. Right now I'll be adding my grounded shrimps, guy. Wow. Ooh la la, this one is so tasty. This is grounded shrimps right now, and stir it very well together. In fact, this broth is almost done, this soup, because actually, so now I decided to take wooden spatula, because I need to stir it vigorously. So I have to change to wooden spoon. Then I turn it very well. Continue stirring so the whole thing will get infused. Right now I'll be adding these 2 chicken cubes. I'll be adding just 2. They are chicken cubes, and I am adding 2. So just to enhance the taste. Already the taste is already there because of the Nete2 and the shrimps. Yes, they already giving it that exotic taste, the real taste I want. So guys, now I'll be adding the shrimps. The shrimps are well cleaned already. It has been thoroughly washed, selected, and cleaned. Wow. So that is it, guys. you see how I'm making it. Then you stir it together. So stir it, and the whole thing is there, power packed. This one has no oil, it has no fat. You are just eating everything natural. Yeah, so we continue turning it, and leave it to cook a bit, and but in whole, I didn't allow it to spend more than 10-15 minutes anyways. So though I didn't look time, but I suppose, because normally I don't leave my vegetable so much on fire. So right now we cover it for everything to boil together, to get infused, to get in, you know what I mean, well blended into each other. And here we are, guys. Right now it's time to serve. So here I will be serving it into this South African earthen bowl. Yeah, so I will be serving it, and so you can come and join me, guys. It was so tasty, guys. Trust me, so tasty. In fact, wow, look at it. So I am serving it now, guys. So, serving it and scooping it as much as I want. In fact, I was so much in hurry to eat. Yeah, so this is oilless, no oil, no frying, just natural vegetable from farm to my table. I mean, from farm to my kitchen, from my kitchen to my table, from my table to my stomach. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, guys. Ooh la la, you can't believe this. If you were in my house this day, oh la la, you will come and you will join me uninvitedly. Honestly, I know that, because everywhere was, ooh la la, the aroma took over my house, and it was everywhere. It tastes so nice. But it shows, considering the ingredients used, natural, everything, vegetables, onions boost bone density, and it has this antibacterial properties. So because it contains sulfur, we have garlic reduce blood pressure. It contains compounds with potential medicated properties. We have aubergine, we have shallot, improves blood sugar and blood circulation. So I have said it's good for seasonal allergies and good for heart disease. So also ginger treats heartburn. It reduces muscle pain, and relaxes the muscle. So I use garlics mostly. So hi guys, here we are ready to eat. Here we are in exotic corner, guys. So you can join me, and this wonderful moment here. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, leave your comment below in this yummy delicious 12 vegetable soup I have just presented it to you guys.